How to earn passive crypto income in a bear market. Ways to make passive income in a crypto bear market. Although it may be difficult to locate digital assets that have not been harmed by the market downturn, there are still a few methods to generate passive income in a bear market. The reverse of the adage is that there are still plenty of possibility with 100% annual percentage rate and even more. So let's discuss that. The number one source of passive income in the bear market is staking. Bear markets are a reminder of the importance of holding tokens to generate passive income. Staking can be a great way to generate income as well as increase your position in a market for a project. Staking is the process of locking your coins on a particular platform to gain interest. Most platforms provide two options: flexible staking, withdraw at any time, or fixed staking, where you commit your assets for a set period, like 1 month or more. Tokens can be staked on centralized platforms such as Binance, Crypto.com, Qcoin, or Bybit. In addition to that, there are many decentralized exchanges available such as Uniswap, Balancer, and Curve, where investors can provide liquidity and earn a share of the trading fee. Now let's talk about the second option, which is called crypto trading. Trading cryptocurrency during a bear market can be a good opportunity to buy at a discount and sell when price rebound. Earning passive trading can be a great way to offset any losses during a bear market. Although finding profitable trades may be more difficult, those who are able to capitalize on market condition may earn a significant amount of money. How do crypto traders make money in a bear market? Investors can trade cryptocurrency on a number of different exchanges, including decentralized ones like Binance and Kraken, or DEX like Uniswap and DYDX2. There are also a number of social trading platforms such as eToro and Robinhood that can help investors get started in the market. Social trading platforms provide a way to learn from other investors and develop strategies from trading during a bear market. The next option is mining. Mining is another way to generate passive income in a bear market. Although the rewards may be lower than in a bull market, mining can still be profitable endeavor. Cryptocurrency miners can either go it alone or join a mining pool. When you solo mine, you're trying to solve the next block by yourself. Pool mining is when a group of miners work together to find a solution faster and then share reward based on each person's hashing power contribution. Next option to earn passive income is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a form of business in which a person promotes a product or service and gets paid if someone buys the item as a result of their advertising. This may be achieved through various platforms including social media, blogs, and email lists. Affiliate marketing in the cryptocurrency space is another way to generate passive income during market downturns. Many projects offer high commission rates and some even pay out rewards in the project's native tokens. The next is airdrops. Airdrop is the finest and free model of earning passive income in crypto market. Airdrops have been a popular way to generate passive income in down market conditions. Airdrops are tokens that projects give away for free to promote their project or increase awareness. Investors can join airdrops on websites like Airdrop Alert, CoinMarketCap, and earn crypto. It's critical to remain vigilant against fraud since there are several fraudulent airdrops contributed in order to acquire people's private key. Only sign-ups for airdrops from reliable provider and conduct due diligence before giving any personal information. The last and safest option to earn crypto passive income, it's dollar cost average. One way to make passive income is to dollar cost average your investment. This means buying a fixed amount of an asset on a regular schedule regardless of the price. Buying into an asset at different price can mitigate the risk of buying in at the top and losing all.
This approach may be used to invest in initial coin offerings, buy altcoins, or even acquire Bitcoin. In the long run, the average price of the digital asset will even out, and investors have a good chance of making a profit when the bull market returns. Dollar cost average offers numerous advantages. For investors who use tax advantaged savings vehicles on a regular basis, contribution and employer match contributions account for about two-thirds of the amount, while investment profits make up the remaining one-third. That indicates that many 401k contributors may quickly replenish their account following bear markets. We upload one single video every day regarding crypto market updates and how you can make money out of crypto market.